it's Jennifer here with Snowboard Traveler, and I am showing you around our hotel in Silverthorne, Colorado. We're staying at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Silverthorne. This hotel is conveniently located within a 30-minute drive of 4 spectacular ski resorts: Copper, Breckenridge, Keystone, or Arapahoe Basin, just about an hour and a half drive from Denver. Let me show you around the room. This is a king kitchenette room. This is one of the larger rooms in this hotel. We always like to stay in a hotel with bare minimum a microwave and a refrigerator. That way we're able to store and prepare at least a few meals during our trip. You have a comfy sofa by day, or if you have a larger group, this pulls out into a queen-size sleeper. And there are also lots of outlets throughout the room, so you can charge up all of your camera gear if you're like us and you're recording your trip, or keep your computer and your phone and just your basic necessities charged up. Speaking of charging up, you need to recharge at the end of a snowboarding day. So nice big king-size bed with super soft pillows. And the sun can be very bright here in Colorado, so having blackout shades is a very nice amenity at this hotel. Then the last room in here is the bathroom, and there are so many mirrors all over. You're always going to be able to see if you got sunburned on the slip. Your basic amenities, toiletries from Neutrogena, tub shower combo, nice separation of 2 different bathroom areas. So you can get ready in here and then somebody else can shower, and just good use of space in here. It's also a dog-friendly hotel. All you have to do is register your pet and pay a $50 deposit and cleaning fee for your pet to stay with you, and they give you a little doggy bag with treats, and there's places around the hotel to be able to walk your dog. They have a pool and they have a fitness center. They have coffee and tea all day long, and they also have complimentary hot breakfast every morning. It starts bright and early at 6 a.m. so you can get some breakfast before you go out on the hill. They have a cereal section, they have hot oatmeal, they have multiple kinds of waffles that you can make, and they also have scrambled eggs or omelets that are pre-prepared, so you can fill up and fuel up before a day on the slopes. This is definitely a hotel that we would recommend as a good value for snowboarding in this region of Colorado. Join us for our next video, and we hope we introduce you to your next favorite mountain and where to stay when you're snowboarding there. See you next time.